Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to report a player in Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, open your Clash of Clans app and open the player you want to report. Tap on a player's name in their profile and tap on Report. Using the report button does not automatically end up in a ban for the reported user. However, every report is manually reviewed by moderators and taken seriously. Due to the amount of reports they receive, it can take up to 48h until a report is reviewed. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.